We have seen that students often get confused between the Master in Hospital Administration and Master in Business Administration for a career in hospital administration. And we can't blame them because they sound almost similar and both of them are valid for management recruitment in the hospital and the healthcare industries. So here I am Dr. Raksha and I will resolve your query regarding this and I hope this video will help you find out how. So before discussing about the differences, let's first know about these courses in a bit detail. First I will talk about the Master in Hospital Administration. MHA aims to develop professional managers for the rapidly growing healthcare and hospital sector. It prepares students for leadership roles through in-depth training in subjects that cover the planning, operation, and project management of hospitals. This includes the orientation in the managerial aspect of clinical and support services. This course also provides training in managing financial material and information system in hospital setting and the build the perspectives, attitude and skill needed for the managing people. Now let's know about the MBA, Master in Business Administration. The curriculum aims to cover the conceptual and quantitative skills which are crucial to future management across the industries and not just healthcare. So, MBA is designed to offer students a solid background in business management coupled with healthcare administration if the said is specialization. The students are taught to deal with social, ethical, political, economic, and legal challenges that form a part of hospital administration. The core curriculum revolves around the planning project and the operational management, finance, material planning, and the human resources management to help them develop attitude, leadership, and the management skill. MBA aim to build a student capability to meet real business challenge and the management in today's drastic economy. The point of difference. Now that we know what they individually mean, let's come to the difference. The main point of difference is MHA deals with the study related to run the entire healthcare organization, while the latter handles the staffing of the healthcare unit. MHA is the program which dives deeper into the healthcare management and leadership. Its curriculum involves core business classes, but unlike the MBA, the core classes are focused on business as a whole, regardless of industry. Compared to MBA, the MHA graduate will be heavily rooted in the business side of healthcare and prepared for a career focused on the healthcare leadership. MHA is a good transition degree for someone who doesn't have a core healthcare background but would like to transit into it. Despite the differences, both programs teach the student to deal with finance, marketing, and operation wins that are relevant in hospital industry. Both programs concentrate on developing knowledge, skill, and attitude that are crucial to hospital managers. Both help to develop expertise in student with respect to planning and management by providing the student with problem solving method. Making the right choice. Now the question is which is right direction. For this you need to introspect by asking the right question. Where have you been and where do you want to see yourself in the future? If you are coming from a healthcare background or you know for sure that it is in healthcare administration that you will give your best, then AMH is the way forward. If someone is potentially interested in healthcare but isn't sure about where he or she want to end up, then he or she should start with the MBA in hospital administration. The degree will position them to move into different industries. Both of the courses are equally valuable and the outcome are great for either program. Choose what suits you the best for the good starting point. Choose an institute that provides both the courses. So here I resolved all query about the MBA and MHA program and I hope you like this video. Thank you.